Welcome back to my channel. We are in Tulum this morning. We are walking through a hotel and resort, headed to Tulum Jungle Gym to go do a quick workout and show you guys, because from the photos of this place, I think this might be the most beautiful gym I have ever seen. It just happens to be in the middle of paradise. I mean, look at this view. I just wanted you to see what I'm saying. I don't want you to get envious or anything, but so we're actually on the strip where the majority of the really beautiful resorts are, and we're actually staying at an Airbnb in town. Yeah, in the town of Tulum. I thought the town of Tulum was a lot closer, and everything is kind of a little spread out. So if you are coming to Tulum and you want to vacation at kind of like what you see online, I think that would be more concentrated, heavily concentrated in this area. And we are approaching the Jungle Gym Tulum location here, and it looks really beautiful. Look at this place. It's right there. So let's go get this workout on. Okay, so we just got done at Tulum Jungle Gym, and we're gonna head over to Raw Love. I'm gonna go see what nice, fruitful vegan options they have. Check out these hammocks behind me. Don't you just want to sit there and read a book and get a good coconut water or a nice drink and just hang out? Look at this view. It's so sunny. All right, let's head over to Raw Love Tulum. Come on. So we just ordered our food, and I got an acai bowl. And I was really surprised that you got berry, because you usually doesn't love berries. Why'd you get that bowl?
I don't know, because it just sounded...
The ingredients sounded good. Mine has acai, it's got maracuya.
That felt weird.
You're just getting eaten up by all of the creatures and mosquitoes, and they don't like me because I never get bit. Knock on wood.
They love my blood.
I'm not sure I understand.
She doesn't understand.
I ordered a glass of coconut water, and they're like cutting them right in front of me. And I ordered espresso. So they put this thing on the ground for the mosquitoes. So we're heading back to our Airbnb. We're going to take a quick shower, and I wanted to go to a really cool place I saw, Casa Malca, which is, I'm not a big fan or a follower of any of the Pablo Escobar shows. I did watch Narcos, but I by no means glorify his life or anything like that. But anyway, I do want to visit his house that he had here in Tulum, because by the looks of it, it looks like it's on like a huge scale. Gorgeous. So we are headed back, and we'll be headed to Casa Malca very soon.